Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys. Whatever time y'all are tuning in, I certainly appreciate y'all are here. Today's video, guys, we're going to be opening up two packages. One from Tennessee, the other one is from Virginia. I already know the one what's in the box from Tennessee, Sevierville. Beautiful, beautiful knife. Very special knife, and I cannot wait to share that with y'all. It's a gift. I'll show you what knife it is. It's very nice. And then also we're going the one from Chesapeake, Virginia. I already know one knife is in there, but he sent like 5 pounds of stuff. So I cannot wait to see what the rest he sent. But one of them is a trade, and I'll be sharing you the knife that I'm trading for it. And also, guys, in this video, I'm going to be sharing who won this hat here. Cannot wait to share that with y'all. And also, guys, I'm going to be sharing what I bought from the Buena Vista Pawn Shop. I didn't add it in the other video. I forgot about it, but it will be in this video here. So a lot going on in the video today, guys, and I just cannot wait to share everything with y'all. I can't wait to get in these packages, and I can't wait to look at that very special knife. So, guys, thank y'all again for everything. Appreciate all y'all's support. Glad each and every one of y'all are here, and I hope you enjoy the video. Okay, guys, there's the rest of the Whatnot orders. I've shipped out a few on Saturday, but I shipped most of the evening yesterday and part of the morning today. Got it all done. They'll be going to the post office here today. And I want to thank everybody that participated in the Whatnot auction. Appreciate all the support, guys. But here's the box right here from Mr. Randy Wells, all the way from Sevierville, Tennessee. We're going to be opening it up and putting the contents on the table. Knife Doctor, first of all, thank you for our service to our country. Well, Randy, buddy, thank you so much for that. Thank you for your service to the knife community. I watch your videos every day and sometimes go back in the playlist and rewatch the older ones. I really like the ones with Mr. Wade, Eric, and Lamar when you all meet and eat. It reminds me of when I was a kid. My grandpa and his buddies would meet up at the local store in our community, eat breakfast, and sit around and talk about knives and trade around. Those were the good old days. They sure were, buddy. Pocket knives are dear to my heart because my grandpa started me out collecting. There is nothing like a good pocket knife. The many patterns, the scales, the steel of the blades, the different styles of blades, the many makers of them. Pocket knives are tradition handed down through families and loved ones for generations. It's hard to trust a man that don't carry a good pocket knife. I agree, buddy. Again, thank you for what you do. Randall Wells, Sevierville, Tennessee. P.S. There's a little extra something in package to go into another display case. Well, Randall, buddy, thank you so much for this, man. Cannot wait to see what else you sent, man. But thank you so much for this, buddy. I'm going to cherish it forever. It will be forever on display in the knife shop here. Whoa, look at that. Look at that, y'all. Two of my favorite brands right there. Hoorah. We're going to open this one last. Check this out. Look at there. Paperwork. It's got the sharpening steel. This fine leather sheath right here. It's already been oiled and waxed and beautiful right here. Never been sharpened or never been carried. See there? I started to say sharpened. You see what that is, right? 1 R3 big game. This, guys, will complete my Remington display case. And Randall, buddy, thank you so much for this. Check that out, y'all. That green gook right there. It must have come off the, yeah, come off that button on this inside, that brass. We'll get that off before we put it back in the box. Look here. See that right there? Beautiful. I'm gonna wipe it down. Check that out. Locks in place. See there? Got a lock right here. Ain't that awesome? Mash that in. It's got a saw. And it's got the gut hook there. Double locking. I didn't realize that took place, but I should have. Beautiful piece. It's sharp too. Very sharp. Man, it's nice. Thank you so much for this, buddy. Appreciate it, buddy. So much. This is gonna complete it, man. We're gonna wipe it down with Neverdol before we put it up there in the case. Beautiful, beautiful knife, man. See, there's that sharpening rod right there. Awesome, buddy. Randy, thank you for this, buddy. Thank you so much, man. He actually got a lot of knives that somebody come in and traded for a gun for. He traded whoever bought these knives in this local pawn shop that he goes, brought in, I don't forgot how many knives he said, but they traded those knives for a gun that they wanted, and he bought all the knives, and this was one of them. So it's a great story. Great story behind it, man. And Randall, buddy, thank you so much again for this knife, buddy. I love it. Now let's look at the Zippo. Oh my gosh, y'all. It is another Remington. Look at that. Ain't that awesome, dude? I love that. Gosh almighty. It's going to go right beside the other one. Look here, the one that got away. How about that? It looks like them same folks, man. I bet it is. You know, because there's the moose horns. I bet it's the same ones. And I bet you, man, that's so cool. Randall, buddy, thank you so much for this, man. I love that. You're so kind, buddy. Thank you. And that's a 2024, man. KKJKL. So this is November of 2024. This one just come off the assembly line, man. That is so cool of you, buddy. Never been used. I love that right there. Hoorah. Both of these will be on display for everybody. I swear it looks like the same ones. I think it is. We're fitting to go in and look. Y'all see what's going on right there, though? You see the eagle right there coming in and getting that trout. You see the moose horns in that canoe and that big old green bag. I don't know if it's the same guys or not. But there's that big old green bag, and there's the moose horn. But I know he fell into the river, broke his arm. He's drying his boots out. He's drying his coat, and he's letting him use his coat for the time being. But this is so cool. Randall, thank you so much, man. Love it, buddy. And we're fixing to put that knife right there. Yep.
Hey, I
Okay guys, we're gonna put the box and sheath right down there. And we gotta get this out to put the knife in there. Very special moment, Mr. Randall. Thank you so much for this, buddy. Mr. Barry Snipes got that one there. I actually had one that had a lighter colored handles. I really didn't care for it. He donated that one, and I just went ahead and gave him the one that was in there. But Mr. Randall, I appreciate this, buddy. And Barry, thank you so much for that one too, man. But the set is complete now, guys. That thing looks really good in there. I love it, really do. Beautiful piece. I'm fixing to put it all back together and put it back on the shelf. Hoorah. Okay guys, it's now complete set. I bought this last year at the Atlanta Blaze Show, and it's been so much fun filling this thing up. Beautiful, beautiful knives, but ain't that awesome right there? Got some more of the Remington knives up there. That one looks like it looks like camouflage. That's beautiful. I shined it up, sanded those handles down as well. The bolsters and everything, beautiful. That one's an old one too. That one right there, I got at the Bear & Son sale. And that right there is the lid with the bear standing up. See him right there? Right there. Standing up, that's the same photograph or picture than that one there, but the only difference is that bear's charging. And here is the knife with a sterling silver bullet with stag that goes with that lid. But that right there is a very special knife. It's sterling silver. Paid $100 for that, but they're going for almost like $200, just like that one there. I got that one as a good deal. That's a limited edition Trapper, the bullet knife, that R1128. Very cool. I love that right there. I'm gonna get that in the display case as well today. Buddy, thank you again, man. Mr. Randall sent that Remington knife and that Zippo all the way from Sevierville, Tennessee, 385 miles away from Ellaville, Georgia. Mr. Randall, buddy, thank you so much for supporting the channel. Appreciate the Remington knife and the Zippo, buddy. Thank you so much again. God bless you, buddy. Okay, guys, here is the box all the way from Chesapeake, Virginia. We're fixing to open it up and put all the contents on the table here. Okay, guys, this is what was in the box sent to me by Mr. Kenneth Bain from Chesapeake, Virginia. I will be going over all the items in tomorrow's video because I just got a phone call. Mr. Glenn is wanting to go knife hunting, so me and him are going to go. So I'm going to wind this up right now because he's feeling good. He's really felt good the last, this is the third day. He's really felt better. So he wants to get out of the house. So I'm going to take time to go do that. And I'll be doing a little filming with him on a little knife hunt. And that will be in tomorrow's video. Well, guys, I hope y'all enjoyed the video today. I'm sorry I had to cut it short. But the moments like this don't come too often these days. So if he wants to go knife hunting, I'm going to stop what I'm doing and go pick him up. And we're going to go somewhere. Wherever he wants to go knife hunting at, we're going to go. And I know I said I was going to reveal the winner of the hat. But that will be in tomorrow's video as well. and also what I bought at the Buena Vista Pawn Shop. That will be in tomorrow's video. So be on the lookout for tomorrow, though I am going to be filming us doing the knife hunt today. And just get Mr. Glenn in there, and I won't be giving him his gifts yet that y'all gave him. I have quite a few gifts to give him. I want to get him out here for that, and so hopefully by the end of the week he can come out here, and we'll give him all the gifts that I have for him. And he wants to say some stuff to y'all as well. Well, guys, I do want to say that I did get all the Whatnot auction items shipped. Just took them to the post office, and so those are everything that was bought last week is in the mail. So I just want to thank each and every one of y'all that supported the Whatnot auction. Each and every one of y'all that donated knives. Thank y'all so much. Well, guys, thank y'all so much for tuning in today. I want to say God bless y'all. Till we meet again, guys. Y'all be like a good knife. Stay sharp.
Market's calling a treasure hunt today, with Antique Queen by his side. They search, they barter, take the ride. He's the knife doctor on a steel crusade, trucking with his lady in the deals they jade. Down the lane where rust meets fade, he sees a spark in the forgotten, ain't too late. A diamond in the rough, they say, till the knife doctor puffs the years away. Through the aisles and past the stands, his keen eye sweeps over the merchant's lands. Picks up a blade, its story untold. Edges dull, but the handle's gold. He squints his eyes, sees past the grime. Each knife he saves like stopping time. In every town, a tale of Jim. The hunt is on, no need to pretend.
Y'all got any knives or anything? Some pocket knives?